This is a 1983 Chrysler LeBaron Town & Country convertible. Chrysler brought back the convertible with this model, and Dodge had a similar model. This has the wood trim, that is reproduction wood trim, and it has a very nice interior. This is essentially a K car, and it had its top removed, and this convertible top fitted by an independent contractor. And I have a resource that you can look at that gives more detail about the car. Not this specific car, but generally this Town & Country for 1983. It is interesting in that it brought back convertibles onto the scene. And its value has not gone up markedly. In fact, it has kind of gone down over the years. And it looks like the wood, so-called wood paneling, was once popular, but now is kind of faded into obscurity. I think much like the Chrysler minivans of the time. Very interesting car, though. Very nice.